It is a characteristic that distinguishes those who imagine from those who actually do. It involves deciding and then doing. It's actually action. So it's different, and I'll tell you, it's different than self-worth or self-esteem. Some of that, and those are important, but you don't have confidence until you can think about doing something all day long, and if you don't actually do it, you don't have confidence. So it's actually, the confidence is doing. It's stepping forward. It's actually doing something. And until you do something, you're not going to get confidence. You can't sit all day long and say, I'm a good person, I'm great, everything is good, or whatever, and you can't develop confidence by telling yourself messages. I'm not saying you shouldn't tell yourself those messages, I'm just saying you have to actually step forward. You have to do something to get confidence.